Oh, what was that all about? Oh dear, video number. Today's video. Well, I was cutting these up. I'm going to put these cap screws on these guys. And that's the anchor down this unit I'm building. The brass pot, the actual steering station, pretty much finished that. Got to add on what? Gear? Yeah, so I'll be using these gears. Of course, major, lovely gears. That's done. Drill holes, tap them around this piece. That should be okay. It'll be easy. And then assemble it. Isn't that cool? Let's pull this out for a minute. This is already assembled. It's going to be the drive mechanism for the indicator. So you got two matching gears. Where did I put it now? Like so. And that will go on to the shaft, which is now got a square end on it, which fits the wheel, which I can show you. There we are. There's the shaft and wheel. It's a steering wheel, throttle control off a wallship. And it's a stainless steel shaft I got from the scrapyard, machined it down to that dimension, splits in this piece here, and I'm making a square end on it with Mr. Excello, and it worked fine. So, almost complete, and there's all the other pieces and parts. It's got to be a riot, you know? Love, it's got to be a bloody riot. Here we go for a little walk. I did that, cleaned up, oiled up this fellow. I always clean up every machine I have and oil it after I use it. I get into the habit, it's a good idea. So I'm learning all the time. Learning, learning's my lessons. Like the Navy ships, for 5 years I learned about a lot of things on the wall ships. Number one, 3-inch 50 to 3-inch 70 and all the electronics. I have lots of pieces off the warship too. My payment was only goodies off the Navy ships. Money complicates things. So I have my own banker's hours. I'd work sometimes at 2 a.m. in the morning. Arrive around 11 or 10. Got my own room on the ships. If I didn't feel like doing anything, I'd go for a nap for an hour or two. Anyway, shall we go outside? It's a lovely day. It's warm. Number one. No, Mr. Squirrel isn't eating his nuts. God. Cool wind now. Before it was warmer. Wait a minute, who's that over there? I'll turn this around this way. Something's going on somewhere. Hi! Hey gang, come join me. Usually the ravens, squirrels, and other animals eat there. I don't eat there. I would if they allow me to. I plan on doing that. I'll lay down on the concrete there Just lay down. Well, it's a hot day, of course. And see if the squirrel or ravens show up around me. They're still timid, but getting more and more relaxed around me and talk to me most of the time. Right, guys? Right. Well, oh lordy, it is kind of cool. Oh. What? Crazy humans have their automobiles and some motorcycles, huh? They love making noise. Aggressive species, these humans are. So what else was I doing? I was picking through wood today. Let's take a walk. Should we take a walk? Construction trailer. We're building a spaceship. Woody things. Not much to choose from, but I did get some pieces. Yeah, building a spaceship. There's a neighbors up there, doctors, and a native group. It's a bit chilly. Still recording. Still recording. I've got my finger over the... No, I don't. What was that? That's a mess. Why the previous contractors kept trying to make a pair of stairs and kept using up all the lumber and doing it. Terrible table. Wow. I wonder if it's windy over here. What? What? Being a scrounger, I always look around for things. Guess they're saving these pieces, right? I think so. Yeah. Yeah, still recording. Yes. Well, beyond the doctors, up there is the old Howard Memorial Hospital. Abandoned, but it's for sale, the property. And if it was... Well, I've shown you the lions up there a few times on videos. Ooh, so we'll do a video up there at the old hospital sometime. Now, this is the lumber that they're going to use, the new construction crew. This is where the antenna is in this shed, broadcasting frequencies. And the gang, the ravens, are usually out yakking at me, but they're not now. Are you? They kind of know that call from me, don't they? A little bit of a different video, and maybe not so boring. ravens and squirrels water. And that is okay. Okay. See all the empty shells? Took a hose, blew them off the sidewalk. Fresh water. Oh, somebody. No. So recording on the double check because sometimes I put it down and it turns it off, doctor. So that's a little tour. Let's see if it fits in here. I'm turning it so off. Oh yes. Pants keep falling down. Why I don't know. They're losing weight. Hi, it's Pablo's face. How are y'all doing today? I had a, see if it's, got wounded with sliver. It was about, went right through that area, but I guess it went thin there, it's not bleeding or anything, so. I washed it with alcohol and hydrogen peroxide and put oil of thieves on it. Pretty soon I'll be wearing skimpy clothing, thank God. Anyway, talk about nuts. I am. So you can see it's windy and it's kind of cloudy as well, and that makes it kind of cold. And I don't like cold. I hate cold. I always loathe cold. I hated Vancouver. Rain, cold, rain, cold. No wonder Fox Mulder wanted to get out of there. Plus the way the government's going, Trudeau and his Nazis. No thank you. No thank you. So what else should I be doing today? Drilling the holes, tapping them, and line everything up. That's pretty well done. And then I start on lathe legs. So first time I operated Mr. Excello, worked extremely well. Quite a chunk of machinery. Some people really like the Excello mill. I have even for it the horizontal milling attachment, but I'm missing the arbor support. It means I might have to make one. I have not found an arbor support for the horizontal milling attachment. Makes it quite a universal milling machine, I must say. Thanks to Inventor 3. You actually had to fix parts of it because of very bad delivery of it years ago. Wow. Got to operate it finally. It does work great too. As I said before, I used other mills to make my pots. Well, I've invited for some of these live YouTube things. I don't know what to talk about. Ask questions, I guess, is the best thing. I don't. Yeah, like I did with Timmy Ventura in American Anti-Gravity. APEC, capital letter, type it in YouTube search, and there I am. Baggy eyes and all. The curse. Little Johnny Baggy Eyes. Good Lord, not fun. Not fun, number one. Well, I guess I can move this over here. I'm in the sun, I got light. Whoa. Yeah. Let's see how ugly I look. Self-conscious nutcase I am. Oh, have mercy on my sunlight. It's partially sunny. Mm-hmm. Something in my lovely hair. I'm not wearing my ring. Why? I don't know. Habits, you know habits. I'm trying to move this silly thing over this way, ball. Again. Lighting is very important in working with things, by the way. I think the most wonderful light I ever encountered has been the sunlight. If one could make the roof out of sun transparent, you'd have all the sunlight. But anyway, that's another fantasy of mine. I got all these fantasies. And let's play Carla. Yeah, it's early for me, but I'm just taking a break. So it's kind of early for me to make ridiculous videos, but... Hi! That's Carlotta. How are your bananas doing, guys? Are they growing well? They're not genetic modified, are they? I don't accept genetically modified bananas. Not good for you. You're not very healthy. Not very healthy, are they, doctor? No, let me try and arrange this. It's better now. I'll tip it up a little more. I can stick something under it, I think. Oh, I gotta stick under it. Oh, I don't know. I'll stick this thing under it. It might work. Little tippy. Oh. Yeah. I know. I was having a lot of fun the other night. I went to a bar and got smashed. Totally drunk. I got so drunk I didn't know where I lived. I wound up in this very strange bed. It was amazing. It was dark at night. The sign kept flashing, motel, 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 vacancy, 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 motel, 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 vacancy, vacancy. Wow. I don't remember that.
those little evenings, you know, I had to go out and get laid. And it was a funny night. Oh, it was very interesting. I must say, and I can't say anymore. It was very, very interesting. It was a really wild night. I was doing a good bar, and I danced very well. And
I should do a separate video on this nonsensical Carla thing. Distracted. Okay, I'll do that. I gotta get the blonde on and my red uniform to do the Carla thing, but I'm not gonna do it today. I don't want to get in the mood of it. Of course, I haven't played Carla in a long time. Anyway, I'm gonna do that. We'll call this quits on this one and do another one.